Hi, I'm Sheena Strader with L2L Support, and welcome to this tips and tricks video on creating document approval processes. If your company requires an approval process for documents, L2L Document Center has two approaches to the approval process. One, you can create a document category and assign approvers to it. Or two, you can add approvers directly to a document within the details screen. These allow designated personnel to approve or deny a document revision before it is published. Please note you must be an administrator to edit these in all security settings. In order to add approvers to a document, the approver role must be designated to specific user. This is done through the document security settings. An important note here is that if you wish to have your document revisions published after approval, you will also need to make sure your approver has publisher permissions. The approval and publisher permissions can be separate. For example, if no approval is required to review the revision prior to publication but the author does not have publisher permissions, a new revision of the document will be generated but not published in the system. This means that if you modified a version of the document, it is not the live copy, but it is visible within the document history. To become a live version, a publisher must publish that new revision. Now let's take a look at the two processes we offer. Process 1 is document categories. Access the document categories under the Standard Work Documents tab. You can either select Add New, or in the purpose of this video, I'm going to Edit. Under the Document Category Detail screen, you will see an option to designate approvers. After specifying approvers, they will be alerted via email when a document is submitted for publishing, allowing them to either approve or deny the document revision. Also note, you will see one approval required to publish. If you have multiple approvers but you only wish for one approval for the document to be published, you will want to select this box. Click Save. Process 2 is approvers within the document setup. Here I've selected a document, and you will see under Sharing Approvers and Publishers the area to select your approver here. You will also see the option to one approval required to publish as well. There is also the area to assign publisher. Please note that approvers on the document detail screen will override category level approvers. Admins can add approvers to document revision screen as well. This will retain them on the document as an approver. If you wish to see what an approval step looks like, once a revision is made, you will see a pending revision link within the document screen. The approver can go in here and select this link and select Approve. Congratulations, you have just learned how to set an approver for a document. Thank you for watching. If you have any additional questions, feel free to go watch our other tips and tricks videos or reach out to us at L2L Support.